Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve CAT 2017 question paper. In our last videos we have solved questions up till 91. So now we are going to start with question number 92. So question 92 says, for how many integers n will the inequality n minus 5, n minus 10, minus 3 and minus 2 less than equal to 0 be satisfied? Okay, so we don't need the numbers n, but we need the total possible numbers of n for which this inequality will be satisfied. So let us first write this inequality here and simplifying it. So this is n minus 5, here we have n minus 10, minus 3 and minus 2 less than equal to 0. So let us simplify this. So let us open the brackets. So this will be n square minus 5n minus 10n plus 50 minus 3n plus 6 less than equal to 0. So this will be n square minus 18n plus 56 equal less than equal to 0. So using our normal bracket taking formulas, so this will be n square minus 14n minus 4n plus 56 less than equal to 0. So taking n minus 14 common here, so we are left with n, minus taking 4 common, we are left with 14, n minus 14 less than equal to 0. So again taking n minus 14 common, we are left with n minus 4 less than equal to 0. So basically this is the most simplest form of our equation. So this equation to be satisfied and less than equal to 0, we need whether this to be negative and this to be positive, or this to be positive and this to be negative. Both can't be of same sign, and if both is of the same sign, we will not get less than equal to 0, but we will get a positive number which is greater than equal to 0. So we don't need that, we need a negative number from this. So we need either first one to be negative, second one to be positive, or first one to be positive and second one to be negative. So for this we need, let n minus 4 be a positive. So let me write this here, n minus 14 into n minus 4 less than equal to 0. Okay, so let us consider that n minus 4 is positive and n minus, no, let us first consider n minus 4 to be a negative number. N minus 4 is a negative number, therefore we need n minus 14 to be a positive number. So let's check, is it possible here? So for n minus 4 to be a negative number, we need to take any number for n which is less than equal to 4. Here we have n minus 4 is equal to negative, therefore n should be any number less than equal to 4. So n should be a number less than equal to 4. So let us consider any number less than 4, which is considered 0. So putting 0 in place of n, we will get 0 minus 14 into 0 minus 4 less than equal to 0. So this is minus 14 into minus 4 less than equal to 0. So this is something 56, 456, which is positive, and this condition is not true. Therefore n minus 4, this assumption is wrong, that is n minus 4 is can never be negative and n minus 14 can never be positive. So let us revert the situations, let us revert the situation and let n minus 4 be a positive number and n minus 14 be a negative number. So in which cases is this positive possible? Here we have equal to 0 also, so our n can be 14 or n can be 4. So we have got the extreme values of n, so n is equal to 4 or comma dot dot dot, we have till 14. So for this condition to be true, we need to take a number which is greater than 4 and less than 14. So here n will be less than 14 and greater than 4. Only for this condition our both these conditions will be true, because a number which is greater than 4 and subtracting 4 from it, we will get a positive number, and a number which is less than 14, subtracting 14 from it, we will get a negative number. So our n belongs to 4 to 14, so it can have any possible values between 4 to 14, which is 4 comma 5 comma 6 till 14. So total number of possible numbers is 14 minus 4 plus 1, which is total number of numbers in a series. We have 14 minus 4 plus 1, which is 11. So this is total number of possible numbers for our n. So how many integers? N. So 14 numbers we have in place of n to be this equation to be satisfied. So let's check the answers. So option number C matches with our answer, hence option C is the correct answer to this question. So now let's move on to our next question, that is question number 93. So question 93 says if f1 equal to x square plus 11x plus n and f2 equal to x. So here we have been given two functions, two different functions, f1 and f2. Then the largest possible integer n, for which equation f1x equal to f2x has two distinct real roots. Okay, so we need to find the largest possible of n here in this first function. For that, both the equations, equating both equations, we get two distinct and real roots. Okay, so first let us find our new equation where we have f1x is equal to f2x. Therefore here we have x square plus 11x plus n equal to x. So solving this we get x square plus 10x plus n equal to 0. So basically this is our required equation. From this equation we need to say that the maximum possible number of n for the two distinct real roots. So as we know that x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. These are some tricks you need to remember while going for exam. This is because here we have x plus 5 whole square equal to 0 format. X plus 5 whole square equal to 0 is opening the brackets, we will get x square plus 10x plus 25 equal to 0. So since we have a square format, this will always has real and equal roots, but what do we need is distinct and real roots. Okay, so real we have got, but we need distinct roots. So let n be greater than 25 when x square plus 10x plus n equal to 0, where n is greater than 25, we will find that the roots are always complex. The roots are complex roots. You can simply pause this video and try one example where x square plus 10x plus n equal to 0, where x is greater than 25, and you will find that the roots are complex. So the n cannot have value 25 because here we have equal roots, and n cannot have value greater than 25 because here we have complex roots. So n can have the values only less than 25 where roots will be both equal and sorry, not equal, we have roots distinct. Roots will be both distinct and real. So the condition is n should be less than 25. So the maximum possible value for n, maximum possible value for n is, what will be the maximum possible value when n is less than 25, and this is the maximum number, so this will be 24 because here we don't have less than equal to. So this will be n is less than 25 and the number less than 25, which is an integer. Here we have largest possible a positive integer, so positive integer greater less than 25 is 24. So this is the maximum possible number for n to be. This function has two real and distinct roots. So our answer is 24. Now let's check the options. So option number D matches with our answer, hence answer to this question is option D. So I will like to end this video here. You will find solutions to the further questions in our next